Hi, I am Saudi citizen, live in Saudi Arabia and the East Coast. I support women to drive. Yes, I am man. I support it. I want to make this point clear. Islam religion give the woman all rights, from shoppings to drive to every single right. But our traditionals and customs stop it. This our problems. People in the West or in the other countries say that Islam stop these rights. No, actually, Islam gives these rights, but our traditionals stop it. This is the problem here. And thank you. I forgot. Beep beep.